Hey everyone, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, standing outside a fix and flip we just finished up and we'll be listing here tomorrow. Bought this property for $235,000 from the MLS. Just spent a little bit of money on it. This is an easy rehab. Go over those numbers here soon, and we'll be listing it just over $300,000 here. As always, check out investformore.com for more information on my flips, rentals, be an agent, all that good stuff. And we'll start the tour here. So I have the before video that you can check out, and we'll list that in the description. But as I said, bought this from the MLS. It was listed for $230,000 in that range, listed as a attached dwelling actually, which it obviously is not. Might be one reason why we were able to get it pretty cheap. And we made an offer first day. They had a bunch of other offers. Asked us if we could go up to $235,000, and we accepted. No inspection, no loan, so got the deal there. Made a commission, since I am the agent, off the $235,000 price, and then it was not in bad shape at all. It needed flooring, paint, some fixtures, and that was about it. So this had carpet on it before. We pulled that up, refinished the hardwood, and then we put carpet in the bedrooms, which as you can see are pretty good size, has nice tall ceilings. Already had the newer doors, really wasn't much work to do at all. You can see, oh, there is a light here. This is a decent sized closet, goes all the way across. The tiny attic access. It's always crazy how small those are in the older houses. We did have to replace some of the hardwood. It was rotten right over here by the window, so you can see it stained a little different than the older hardwood, but not a huge problem, should be okay. And then here is the other bedroom. Right here. And the kitchen is in here. We laid this tile down. We always try to avoid putting, laminate or vinyl plank looking hardwood next to real hardwood. That always looks kind of funky. So instead of trying to match the hardwood, which looks funky as well, we just put down the tile, and it's quite a bit cheaper than putting down the real hardwood everywhere and trying to match it. A kitchen, we replaced the appliances. That's about all we did. We thought about doing the counters, but then that destroys the backsplash and you get into drywall work. So we just left all of that, and it's really not bad looking. It should be just fine. Again, for everybody who asks, we very rarely need a fridge. Buyers usually have their own fridges, so we don't have to put those in. When you're doing 26 flips a year, that saves you $30,000, so that's why we don't do it. The bathroom, again, we didn't do much work in at all. This tub was already here, the surround was here, so just cleaned it up. This looks very similar to the vanity that was in here before, but it's actually a new one. The old one was broken, and we did have to replace that. So that was some work we had to do. And this house has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So at some point, this area back here was probably an addition. And so it's got 2 bedrooms that are quite a bit smaller than the other ones, but still, it's not crazy small. And for your 3rd and 4th bedroom, not horrible. And then I will show you the basement here real fast. There is a light, if I can find it. There we go. So again, down here, just cleaned it up, and they were supposed to take that old water softener thing out, but didn't. But cleaned it up, and then we just painted all the concrete to really spruce it up and make it look nicer. So that made a big difference. Oh, there's another light over here. Water heater, furnace, comes complete with 2 murder rooms. No, that's just a cabinet. Nothing exciting in there. And that's the basement. That old door goes nowhere, doesn't open. I think it goes into the closet of that bedroom. And back here we have the other bathroom, which we did do the flooring in here. That's it. And then the 4th bedroom is right here. About the same size as the other one. All right. We'll have about 18,000 in carrying costs, closing costs, selling costs. That includes 3% commission for another agent. Since I am an agent, save money there. We're selling it pretty quick, getting this turnaround done very well. This is the detached 2-car garage. So it won't have a whole lot of financing costs, but obviously there will be some. And then we'll have, taxes, utilities, insurance while we owned it too. It's a garage. And this pantry was actually in the kitchen, and we thought it was a little nicer without it in there, but we left it in the garage just to tell people, hey, if you want to put this pantry back in the kitchen, it's here. We could do that for you real quick. We probably spent around, boy, 12,000 or so on the repairs. We did have to, have the furnace. Oh, they didn't clean this out very well. We may need to have our guy come back. This was the old lady stoner room. It had all the posters. Oh, there you go. The Ganja Gazette is still here. Those were all over the wall. But they obviously did not do a very good job cleaning it up. I haven't been in here since we bought it. Like I said, so bought it for $235, got a commission back, spent probably around $12,000 repairing it, very easy. $18,000 or so in carrying costs, and we haven't decided exactly on a list price yet. Between $300 and $310, we'll see, maybe $309, $304. I'm leaving that up to Nikki, my project manager. She's the expert on pricing our properties, and once in a while I'll try and price them too high, and that never works out well. You'd rather price them too low than too high to get them sold quick. So I've given her full responsibility to price the properties now, so I don't do that. So that's it. That's the house. Hopefully we'll get it sold here quick. Got a few more we're buying here in the next 2 weeks, so we'll have videos on those, and hopefully some more that are finishing up here too, and get those listed and new videos for them too. Thanks for watching. Be sure you check out investformore.com for more information on everything we've got going on, and hope you guys give us a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks a lot. Bye.